What's it really like to try and record?
It's tough. It's tough with 3 kids. And then we got a skid steer running outside. We tried to record outside. And then they had a lawnmower going and cars driving around. So we're inside. But
And the washing machine?
Washing machine's going. And so, but we had to come inside anyways to show you our next big project we got going. Something Brooke's been hounding me about for a while now.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
So we're gonna do bunks back here, and this is the back of our rig. Originally when we bought it, there was 2 recliners back here. Or no, the couch was here. Recliners were over there. We moved the couch over there, put the boys' bed here, got rid of the recliners. We got the trundle bed under there, so we got plenty of bed space. But we're gonna do bunks. The bottom one's gonna be about this height, and then the other bunk's gonna be up here. Because they like to play on their beds and stuff, so they have plenty of space up here, and this one will be mainly just for sleeping. So we're going to do 4-post, 4x4 posts. I'm going to use a lot of 2x4s, get this all framed out. I drew it, you guys don't want to see the picture. I got it in my head, I know what I'm going to do. Or at least we'll figure it out as we go. So we're going to do that, put the bunks in there. It's going to be super cool. The boys are excited to have their own space. And they're excited to have their bunks again because they love the bunk beds that we had in the sticks and bricks.
Okay, so my one problem with bunks is I lose all this cabinet space. So we have to get rid of some of this or find new places for it. That's my project for the day.
Find new places for it.
Find new places for it, don't get rid of it. So I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna remove the valances here. I'm gonna pull these off. And then I'm gonna decorate their area back there. Cabinets are gone. So this line that's up here, this lovely line, we're not too worried about that because the bed's actually gonna go there, Easton's bed. So it's gonna cover that up. Jordan is helping me take the valances off, and then we still have to pull these guys off. And I am gonna paint. So we'll pull the bed out and then we'll put the bed back, and it's gonna sit like this for about a week. Unless Jordan gets a crazy hair and decides to do this with 3 kids here. I'm guessing that he's not going to, but it's not impossible. So next week, then we can start on the rest, right, Jordan? Mm-hmm. So, and it'll give us 2 days. Really, we probably only need a full day and then a day to paint. Totally forgot to turn the camera on. So I just filled the holes in here with spackle. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wipe them down with a wet sponge so that there's not extra on anything. And then I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna paint. So pardon my disaster of a house right now while I work on this project. I'm trying to get as much done, get it put back, so that next week when we can actually build the bed, we're ready to go. We're not waiting on anything. So I'm gonna get this whole corner painted, and I'm gonna try to sponge paint. So wish me luck. I'm gonna sketch out some trees on sponges. I'm gonna cut them out, and then I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna make a hodgepodge pattern up there, like the wallpaper that I wanted, but for a fraction of the cost. We always keep extra sponges from like the Dollar Tree, so we have tons of them. So I'm gonna cut that down, and then I keep black paint too, because you know me, I love projects, and I'm gonna stamp it up there. I have my sponges. I have 4 different little sponges. This guy's just the top. He also has a bottom, so I can make a bigger tree. And then I have this little guy. So I'll technically have 4 trees. We're gonna start with that, see how it goes. Hopefully they look okay. And then I have my black paint here. I'm gonna sponge paint away. Wish me luck. Here is our in progress for the bunks. I went ahead and painted this back wall. I just used that super easy sponge paint. The trick to this is less paint is more. The more paint you get, you'll get runs. I just used a baby wipe. I used a wet washcloth, whatever works. I didn't want to have to get up. I was keeping kids out of paint. So I used a baby wipe, wiped off any of the ones that had runs, and I stamped them again after it dried. So it was easy enough. I think it looks really cute. From far away, it's about perfect. I didn't want anything crazy, but I wanted it to feel fun and whimsical for the kids, but it needed to match the rest because you guys know we're not actually like in a bunkhouse. I can't close the door. So we got that up. Jordan is getting the pieces for the beds. We made the list of what we need, and he's going to frame that in. Each boy will have a bunk. Or the 2 big boys, excuse me, will have a bunk, and then they'll each have baskets on the side for some of their stuff. So this is as far as I've gotten today. This is as far as it'll get for about a week, and then we're gonna get the rest up. We're gonna shorten that curtain, do a couple different things for it, but I'm so excited. Oh, and so I had the black paint. I had the 3 sponges that I used. These trees, so this big tree here is actually 2 sponges, the top and the bottom, and this guy is the same as that top one, he just doesn't have the bottom. So I did that, and then I had the little triangle tree, and then I had this guy. So 3 sponges is all that was. They're dollar store sponges. It cost me $1.50 in sponges, and I already had the black paint, and I used a paper plate to put it all on. Super cheap, way cheaper than the wallpaper I found. The wallpaper was really cute, but guys, we live on a budget.